Good afternoon, Raycon here with Techout. Today I'm back with my Note 8 running Android 8.0. This is the CRBB build. There is another build, CRC1 and CRC2. CRC1 is available for download if you want it, but it's not Play Store certified and it hasn't passed safety net, so you may lose some functionality in that. So I'm on CRBB, which is the safety net certified and Play Store certified build. The battery life on this is not so great so far. This isn't the official build that's being pushed to everybody yet, so keep in mind this will change. There should be improvements to it, hopefully. But I just got home from work, and you can see I've had 53 minutes of screen on time, and I'm at 22%. The phone's been unplugged since 4:45 a.m. It's 3:44 right now, so since it's been plugged in, it's been 10 hours and 48 minutes. Now I know that seems like a long time, but again, I've only gotten 53 minutes of screen on time. And I think what's killing this is the fact that when I'm at work, I don't have the greatest service. Like, I'll drop down to 3G, so the service is kind of weak, but it doesn't lose service. It's not always searching for service or anything like that. I still do have a signal, but it's definitely killing the battery. And when I was running 7.1.1, I didn't have this issue. I could leave after a 5 or 6 hour shift and still have 75 to 80% with some screen on time in there. And like I said, today by like 11 o'clock I was down to 60%, and then by 3 o'clock I was down to 25%. So it's definitely not optimized for any kind of like cell searching or anything like that yet. It's definitely killing the battery with the screen off. And this was in my pocket too, so I'm pretty sure the always on display wasn't even on. Yeah, it's only been on for 2 hours and 9 minutes. It's only used 2% battery, it says. So I don't even see on here what's killing the battery. Cell standby is only showing 3% of the battery. So it's really not adding up. Android OS is showing 10%. Android system is showing 8%. You know, so I know all these add up together, all these apps running, but that's all I have. So it's just, I think it's an optimization issue so far in this build. And I heard CRC1 is the same, if not worse. Most people are recommending not updating to it because of the battery life. So that is the current battery life situation on the Note 8 running 8.0. And this is a brand new Note 8. This Note 8 is like 2 weeks old. So it's not like the battery's worn down or anything like that. It's not, you know, a Note 8 from day one. It's 2 weeks old, so the battery should not be having any issues whatsoever. But that's, like I said, the current battery situation on CRBB, the 8.0 Oreo update for the Note 8 running Samsung Experience version 9.0. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments below. And as always, have a great day.